knocking on our door. You are so adorable!
Oh, it's been about 3 years ago, maybe.
It's our official day one of the rally. It's early, so we're both sleepy because we're going to go eat their breakfast. We ran out of groceries, so we're going to the breakfast they provide, and then we're going to the opening ceremony.
I'd like to welcome all to the 6th annual Grand Design Owners Rally that this year became the National Rally. So thank you for flying around. And at this time, we will have our presentation of colors.
I would have danced, but that would have ended this rally really fast. How's everybody doing? What a massive group of grand design enthusiasts. Is it up? Okay, good. So are you all excited to be here? Well, I'll tell you, we've been looking forward to this day for a long time. We're building at the pace of the retail market. The retail market is strong. We just finished one of the strongest years last year of our industry. And Grand Design, I'm really, really pleased. In fact, it blows me away. I am very excited to announce that Grand Design just completed production of our 100,000 unit.
You like it? Brings
Did you
back.
put the glasses on?
Don't worry. Welcome to Grand Design. I almost said welcome to back at work. Ready to go back to work?
Yeah, exactly.
really fortunate. All the buildings on this side of the road are less than 3 years old, right? And so Solitude is growing a lot and has outgrown this building within a year and a half, which is kind of crazy. But we're fortunate because of the size of this building, we can actually fully build the roof up here and then put it on the coach. So it's really important in terms of maintaining quality and the integrity of our build. So a lot of other manufacturers will have a guy on each side of the scaffolding and they're building the roof on the coach as they go down the line. So for us, even the trusses that you see here, they are assembled in-house. So again, the further back you get, the more raw it gets. We assemble the trusses and then we put it on. It's a golden thread for Grand Design. All of our coaches have a fully residential wood truss roof. They're 5-inch trusses. They're 16 inches on center. We double truss around ACs. So we use wood because of, number one, it's a better insulator. Number two, screw retention, because we're going to screw through wood into aluminum that's got a wood anchor, right? So insulation, screw retention, and to help us out in terms of our ducting, right? A lot of times people think their AC's gone to crap, but in reality they have a collapsed duct somewhere. So for us, we use a 2-inch hard foam ducting.
So we are on day 2 of the rally, and first thing this morning we had the service knocking on our door to come take care of.
Before 8 o'clock.
Yes, wasn't expecting that. Take care of some issues. So they actually were really good, took care of some issues and got that taken care of. And now we're on to a seminar. We already went to one and now we're back to go to another one. Hi. So here we go.
How's it going? Any questions? Solar?
I wouldn't even know where to start. Eventually it's the goal, but
It's
nice that we got to the point now where factories are doing stuff.
Exactly.
So we got both momentum plant, solitude, and reflection. Putting a dock board in. 3 of those are putting inverters in for a full solar package to get started.
So they selling whole packages, like aftermarket, or they just
No, it's all through the day.
all through the day?
Those are the 3 packages that they're offering.
But this is if you buy a new rig, it's pretty wide.
Well, I think that the dealers
Are they going to be able to retrofit some of the older? Like, say we bought a 19.
you guys just missed it.
I know, that's what I told her.
We just kicked off.
We should have waited like 6 months.
We kicked off June 3rd.
Good thing you guys have that big storage bay.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness! You are so adorable! Oh, you're so cute! Oh my goodness! Oh, she's so cute! Hi! Hi! You're so cute!
The baby.
Now, was she born without?
Yep.
Oh, it doesn't know any different, right? Yeah. You just have like a little bunny wabbit.
I got ninja skills.
Thank you. So cute.
I got skills.
It's got skills.
I got skills. Don't you? Yeah, you got skills.
No, it's been about 3 years ago, maybe. Winnebago did buy Grand Design. It's been about 3 years.
Planetary Church, they do books on Alaska. They also did, on Mexico, but also Alaska.
Here's what they do. They tell you like 3 or 4 routes in the beginning, so you can really see what you want to do and what's important to you. But then they tell you, okay, this RV park is going to be more expensive, kind of like Rick Steves-ish. And then there's pictures, big rig, accessible. Do your laundry here.
Yeah.
This is a great place to drive through. This is a great place you have to spend the night. Their opinion is spot on.
We
And
thought
they
they
don't
were
hold
so
back.
accurate, we couldn't even believe it. You know,
Yeah.
they would describe an RV park, and we were like, that's exactly how we would have described an
Yeah,
RV park. So
right.
we learned to trust their
What some people do is they have either stock or they have the EcoFlex and they say, okay, is there anything better? Some people go to this. This has 4 inches of travel instead of 3, and this has a cross member that goes side to side to reduce the strain on the frame.
Okay, so with the U.S. Army flag, every time somebody handles the flag, we're brand new custom gloves. The flag is never handled with bare hands, and it's never handled with the same set of gloves twice. That includes when I have to refold the flag, person refolds the flag, we use brand new gloves every single time. When those gloves are used, those gloves are then gifted to the surviving family members of the fallen hero. Okay? When the U.S. Army flag went on Space Shuttle Atlantis in 2011, there's sets of those gloves that are on the International Space Station today. So a lot of times holding the U.S. Army flag is a career moment for a lot of law enforcement officers and force responders. So tonight we're going to have Don hold the flag, then we're going to have him transfer it to Susie, and Susie's going to hold it in honor of her husband who was killed in the line of duty. You guys good with that? Susie, you're going to
So what are our thoughts on the Grand Design National Rally as newbies? I think it's a great way to learn more about the company. What do you think?
It's a great event put on by volunteers, and it's a good opportunity to come together as a community and to learn some new things, either through the seminars or if you need to get some service done. All the service techs are here, and they do a great job of getting to everybody and getting your issues fixed, and it's just a good time all around.
And it's also a great way to socialize with other RVers, full-time or not full-time. There's a ton of people here. This year was the largest one. There was about 1,000 people here, about 500 or so RVs, which is a lot. And we also got to, as you saw in the video, we got to go through the factory tour, and tour through the new 2020 models, which makes you want a new one, but you know.
Yeah. So
yeah. And we made a lot of new friends.
We did. And there's a lot of opportunity, like I said, to either go to the seminars or do factory tours, or there's the Amish tour, there's the motorcycle ride, there's a lot of things that are scheduled that you can sign up for and be a part of while you're here, and just basically get to meet new people, and everybody's out and enjoying themselves.
And the Grand Design staff, the CEO, the CFO, all of them, they're all around. They socialize with you and listen to your concerns, your opinions. They even have a campfire with the CEO, and it's amazing. I was impressed.
It's not often you see a company that's that involved in its customers, you know, basically the customer satisfaction. So to have the CEO and the CFO and a lot of the employees here at the rally mingling with the owners.
Even the designers.
Yeah, so, and just being able to ask questions or give suggestions, and it feels like you do have some input on what goes on.
Yeah, I agree. So we recommend you coming to the rally. It's once a year in Goshen, Indiana.
The national rally.
Yeah, the national rally. There are different rallies around the country throughout the year, but this is the big one. And this is where the factory is, like we said. So it's where they're made. Anything else?
No. If you haven't been, you should make plans to be here next year.
Yeah, for sure. So if you liked our video, make sure you give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe, and we will see you next time.